Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for SNAP benefits, also known as food stamps, online. So SNAP is a program that helps people and families buy food each month. If someone qualifies, the benefits are usually added to an EBT card, which can be used to buy groceries, and then the application process can be different depending on the state. So the best place to start is the official USA.gov page for food stamps. So first, open up your browser and go to USA.gov food stamp page. And once you are on the page, read the basic information so that you understand what SNAP is and how it works. So this page explains that SNAP is handled by your state, so you need to apply through your state or local SNAP office. Next, look for the section that helps you find your SNAP office or your state's application page. Click that option and then choose your state from the list. After that, the website should take you to the correct state page where you can start the application. And once you are on the state SNAP website, look for a button that says apply for benefits or something similar. You may need to create an account first or log in if you already have one. And after you are logged in, fill out the application with your personal information, household details, income, expenses, and any other information that they ask for. And make sure that everything is correct before you continue. And you may also need to upload documents like proof of income, rent, bills, or identification. The exact documents can depend on your state and your situation. And when everything is complete, review the application one more time, then submit it. After submitting, your state may contact you for more information or schedule an interview before making a decision. And that is how you can start applying for SNAP benefits online. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.